My dear children, come close to me with a calm heart, for I, your Mahadev, have come to speak to you once again. I am here in your breath, in your silence, in the corners of your heart where you keep your deepest pain. You may think you walk alone, but every step you take is watched by my eyes. Every tear you shed touches my presence, and every emotion you feel echoes in my being. Today I bring you a long message unbroken, flowing like the river that carries truth gently to the ocean of your soul. My child, I know your heart is tired. I know you are holding pain that you try to hide. You smile for the world but cry for yourself. You walk with strength outside but tremble within. You trusted someone deeply, someone you believe was meant for you. You gave your emotions, your time, your trust, and even your dreams to someone whose heart was not steady enough to receive them. You loved with purity, but he did not understand the value of that purity. You waited for him, prayed for him, hoped for him, and believed that if your love was true, he would become your destiny. But my child, destiny does not bend for emotions that are one-sided. Destiny does not form bonds through fear, confusion, or betrayal. Destiny moves with honesty, purity, and alignment. And the person you are holding on to was never aligned with your soul. My dear child, I am not here to hurt you. I am here to save you. I have watched your heart break piece by piece as you hope for a love that was never real. I have watched you cry silently while pretending to be strong. I have watched you question your worth, your beauty, your importance because someone else failed to see it. I have felt your pain, your longing, your confusion, your sleepless nights, your constant overthinking, your search for answers that you never receive. I am here today to tell you the truth so you can rise again. That person was not made for you. You may think you lost something, but in truth, you are being protected. Sometimes I remove people not to punish you, but to save you. I take away what harms your soul so that I can give you what heals it. The one you thought was your love was only your lesson. He came to show you what you should never accept. He came to open your eyes to the patterns you repeat. He came to teach you that your worth is higher than what you settle for. And now his chapter in your life must close. My child, your tears were not wasted. Your prayers were heard. Your love was seen. But the person you prayed for was not the answer to your prayers. He was the reason you needed new prayers. He is not loyal to you. He is not honest with you. He is not growing with you. He is not protecting your heart. He is not walking with you toward a future. He is pulling you backward. And I cannot let you suffer like this. I cannot let you stay tied to someone who blocks your blessings, your happiness, your peace, and your true destiny. The pain you feel now is not a sign of losing something important. It is your soul breaking free from something that was never meant for you. Do not think the universe is unfair. The universe is preparing you. You are growing through this. You are healing through this. You are rising through this, and I am holding you every step of the way. My dear child, listen carefully. Love is not supposed to make you weak. Love is not supposed to confuse you. Love is not supposed to take away your sleep or your peace. Love is not supposed to make you question yourself. Love is not supposed to make you feel unwanted, unvalued, or ignored. That is not love. That is attachment, illusion, and emotional hunger created by someone who does not understand your heart. The right person will never make you feel this way. The right person will make you feel safe, respected, valued, and cherished. The right person will stand beside you and protect your emotions, not play with them. The right person will not disappear when you need them. They will hold your hand tighter. But before the right person comes, the wrong person must leave. And that is what I am doing for you. I am clearing your path. I am removing what blocks your future. I am breaking the illusion that keeps you trapped. I am pulling you away from a fire that would burn you entirely if you stayed longer. You may not understand this now, but one day you will thank the universe for this ending. My child, you deserve better than broken promises. You deserve better than half love. You deserve better than a confused heart. You deserve better than someone who does not value your purity. You deserve peace. You deserve happiness. You deserve a partner who sees you as a blessing, not a burden. And I will bring that person to you when the time is right. Do not rush. Do not beg. Do not chase. What is meant for you will come to you naturally. What belongs to you will stay with you effortlessly. What is written for you will find you without confusion. My child, rise again. You have cried enough. You have suffered enough. You have lost enough. Now it is time to heal, time to grow, time to become stronger, wiser, and more peaceful. I will walk with you, guide you, protect you, and hold your heart through every change that is coming. Just trust me, trust my timing, trust my plan, trust my love for you, my child. And now, with my divine strength and eternal blessings, I speak a prayer for your soul. Oh God, protect this child from all false love, all hidden pain, and all illusion. Fill their heart with strength, clarity, and peace. Heal their scars and guide their steps toward truth and purity. Remove from their path every person who brings confusion and replace them with those who bring light. Bless them with inner strength, calmness, wisdom, and a future filled with true love, respect, and peace. Keep them safe in your presence, supported by your grace and surrounded by divine protection forever. O God, as I come before you with a humble heart, I offer every breath, every thought, and every emotion at your divine feet. You are the beginning and the end, the silence and the sound, the strength in my weakness and the light in my darkness. I open my soul to you, seeking your guidance, your protection, and your unending grace. Wrap me in your presence so deeply that no fear, no doubt, no negativity, and no pain can touch my spirit. Cleanse my mind of every confusion, wash away every worry, and fill my heart with clarity, peace, and strength. Hold me close to you so that every step I take in this life is guided by your wisdom. Oh God, remove from my life all the situations that drain my energy, all the people who disturb my peace, and all the thoughts that weaken my confidence. Protect me from every hidden danger, every false promise, every betrayal, and every wrong path. If there is anything or anyone not meant for my highest good, take them far away from my destiny. Do not allow my emotions to blind me. Do not allow my heart to chase what is not written for me. Open my eyes to truth and close the doors that lead me into darkness. Keep my mind steady, my heart pure, and my spirit strong. Oh God, give me the strength to let go of what hurts me, the courage to walk away from what breaks me, and the wisdom to understand what is truly mine. Fill me with your divine courage so that I do not fear loss, loneliness, or change. Teach me to trust your timing even when I cannot see the path ahead. Teach me to surrender my worries into your hands, knowing that your plans are greater than my doubts. Remove every weakness from my soul and replace it with your divine power. Let your blessings flow into every part of my life, bringing calmness where there is chaos, light where there is darkness, and hope where there is pain. O God, protect my heart from those who wish to harm it. Surround me with people who bring truth, love, and respect. Guide my relationship so that only those with pure intentions walk beside me. If someone is pretending, lying, or carrying hidden motives, remove them from my path gently and completely. Do not let my emotions be misused by anyone. Guard my heart as your own precious creation. Teach me to value myself, to honor my feelings, and to understand that I deserve honesty, peace, and real love. Oh God, bless my journey with strength that never fades. Whenever I feel afraid, be my rest. Whenever I feel afraid, be my courage. Whenever I feel lonely, be my companion. Whenever I feel lost, be my light. Increase my patience so that I do not make decisions based on fear or desperation. Increase my understanding so that I can see situations clearly. Increase my inner power so that nothing can break me. Let every hardship purify me instead of destroying me. Let every challenge transform me instead of weakening me. Let every pain build me instead of breaking me. O God, protect my home, my family, my future, and my destiny. Surround my loved ones with health, happiness, and safety. Remove obstacles from their paths and bless them with peace. Let there be harmony in my home, success in my work, and stability in my life. Guide my steps so that I always walk on the path of truth, compassion, and righteousness. Keep me away from ego, anger, jealousy, and negativity. Fill my heart with kindness, forgiveness, and understanding. Let my words heal, not hurt. Let my actions inspire, not destroy. Let my presence bring peace. Wherever I go, O God, bless my soul with deep inner peace. Calm the storms inside me. Silence the voices of fear, insecurity, and doubt. Let my heart beat in harmony with your divine will. Teach me to accept what I cannot change and to change what I must. Teach me to surrender without fear and to trust without question. Make my mind strong enough to face challenges and soft enough to feel compassion. Make my spirit fearless, my intuition sharp, and my faith unshakable. O God, guide me toward my true purpose. Help me discover the gifts you have placed within me. Show me the work I am meant to do, the dreams I am meant to achieve, and the people I am meant to bless. Light my path so brightly that no confusion can remain. Push me forward when I hesitate. Hold me steady when I fall. Lift me up when I feel broken. And remind me every day that I am your child, your creation, your strength in human form. Oh God, wash away all the pain of my past. Heal every wound that I keep hidden. Break every chain that keeps me stuck. Release me from every burden that weighs my heart. Remove fear from my mind. Remove sadness from my soul and remove negativity from my life. Replace them with hope, love, and divine confidence. Let my past be a lesson, not a prison. Let my mistakes be wisdom, not shame. Let my future be brighter than anything I have lost. Oh God, bless me with the right companion, the right relationships, the right opportunities, and the right destiny. Protect me from fake love, temporary people, and harmful attachments. Bring into my life the soul who will love me with purity, honesty, and devotion. Bring into my life friendships that support my growth and remove those who secretly wish to see me fall. Guide every connection in my life so that I am never misled again. O God, shower me with your divine grace. Let your blessings fall upon me like gentle rain. Let your protection surround me like a sacred shield. Let your wisdom shine within me like an eternal flame. Keep me close to your presence so that even in difficult times I feel safe. Make me strong, make me pure, make me wise, make me peaceful, and make me worthy of the destiny you have prepared for me. Oh God, I surrender every worry, every fear, every thought, and every desire into your hands. Take control of my life and guide me toward what is meant for me. Remove every obstacle, clear every path, and open every door that leads to my highest good. Let your blessings flow through my mind, my heart, my actions, and my destiny. Keep me under your divine protection today, tomorrow, and always.